will. So right. So today we will start a new chapter, that is changes around us.
Sir, separation of substances from.
No, second chapter తర్వాత స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఇందాక ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. So today we will start this chapter. Changes around us. This is the easiest chapter. Easiest chapter, nana. So general topic in nature. So this is the changes that we will discuss about one meaning of the lesson. Changes around us. What is meant by changes around us? అంటే మన చుట్టూ జరిగే చేంజెస్. Only that is not. What is meant by change? Change is an integral part of nature. Change is the integral part of nature. So మన చుట్టూ changes ఏం జరుగుతుంది? That is the discussion in this chapter. So many changes are occurring. Right? So we will see types of changes. See, types of changes is first one, slow and fast change. Slow and fast change. Yeah, next one. Desirable and desirable change.
Sir,
1 minute. Next, reversible and irreversible change. Next, periodic and non-periodic change.
physical and chemical change.
Physical and chemical change.
Sir, last time when you explained, you told some other change also, sir. That is 7th class level.
So 6th class వరకు సరిపోయింది మ్యామ్. Fine. Yeah, no. So I already explained what is meant by changes around us. మన చుట్టూ జరిగే చేంజెస్, మార్పులు. చేంజ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ నేచర్. ప్రతిదీ చేంజ్ జరుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది అన్న. ప్రతిదీ చేంజ్ జరుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది. పాలు, మిల్క్ చేంజెస్ ఇంటూ కర్డ్. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఏ చేంజ్. సో we will discuss some the types of changes. Anni changes, but we have some types in changes. That is slow and fast change, desirable and undesirable change, reversible and irreversible change, periodic and non-periodic change, physical and chemical change. So first we will discuss slow change and fast change. Slow change and fast change.
Good evening.
What is meant by slow change?
Good evening, sir.
What is meant by slow change? Slow change means the change occurs slowly. Changes occur slowly. Change occurs slowly. That is, it may take days, hours, or weeks. The change which occurs slowly, that is called slow change. Example. What is the example of slow change?
Plant to a tree.
Nana?
Plant to a tree.
Plant to a tree. Right.
Baby to an adult human.
Right. Germination.
Sir, day and night.
Right. Next. Baby to an adult. Baby to an adult.
Sir, day and night. Change of milk to curd.
Change of milk.
Solid to liquid.
From solid to liquid takes fast change.
Liquid to solid.
Liquid to solid is some slow change. Right.
Sir,
Okay. Enough. So many changes are there. So many changes. So this is the first. Slow change means change occurs slowly. So it may take days, hours, weeks, or months, years, months. So that change is called slow change. Examples, some examples. I wrote some examples, but so many examples are there. But I wrote some understandable examples. This is germination of a seed. Seed nunchi and a chinna plant ga raadu mokka. That is germination of a seed. Baby to an adult. So it grows our age. It grows our age. So that is the example of a slow change. Milk to curd. This is a daily scene example. Milk to curd. This is daily scene example. So these changes are slow change. Sindhuja, why are you laughing, Nana? So right. This is the slow change and example of slow change. So coming to fast change.
Solid to liquid.
Fast change means
Change occurs fastly.
Occurs fastly. So within seconds and minutes. That is fast change. Example.
Solid to liquid.
Solid to liquid is not correct example, Nana. Konni solid to liquid immediate changes ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని solid to liquid slow changes ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని fast changes ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని slow changes ఉంటాయి.
Sir, volatile liquid to gases.
So right, volatile liquids to gases. Volatile liquids to gases is a fast change. Volatile liquids అంటే ఏంటి? Volatile liquids. Volatile liquids.
Volatile liquids are liquids which have low intermolecular
volatile liquids means త్వరగా వేపర్ అయ్యేవి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పెట్రోల్ ఉంది. పెట్రోల్ మనం వెంటనే ఏదైనా బాటిల్లో కానీ ఎక్కడైనా మూత తీసి పెడితే త్వరగా ఆవిరైపోయింది. మన చేతి మీద పడింది అనుకో పెట్రోల్, మనం కొద్ది ఒక్క 5 to 10 seconds లో టచ్ చేస్తామని చూస్తేనే మన చేతి మీద ఉండదు. ఇంకా వేపరైజ్ వెంటనే వేపర్ అయిపోయింది. That liquids are called volatile liquids. So here changes from liquid to gas కాదు, ఇక్కడ volatile liquids to gas. ఏ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నా మీరు ఈజీగా అంటే ఫాస్ట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫాస్ట్ చేంజ్. Changes from volatile liquids to gas. Volatile means త్వరగా వేపర్ అయిపోయాయి. It changes immediately to gas.
Sir, melting of ice.
Melting of ice is also a fast change. Melting of ice in room temperature.
Sir, movement of the seconds clock.
Nana, movement of
Seconds clock.
seconds clock is also a fast change in seconds, not minutes. Seconds. Inga, tell me example. Danvisai, tell me one example. Fast change.
Lighting of electric bulb by switching on, sir.
Right. Very good. Lighting of bulb. This is also a change. Lighting of electric bulb.
Sir, burning of paper.
Electric bulb. By
Burning
switching
a
on the. Nana, Danvisai.
Burning a paper.
Burning a paper. Fast change. Very good example.
Sir, burning a matchstick.
Burning of paper.
And matchstick.
Right. That is mastic. Mastic also past change. So these are the changes of fast change. Clear, Nana? What is meant by fast change? Examples of fast change. Clear? It's very easy chapter. General topic. మన జనరల్ ఒకటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మొత్తం చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. There is అంటే ఇంత కష్టమైంది ఏం కాదు. Very easy. Nana, is it clear? Slow change and fast change. Switch, are you following?
Sir.
Right. So we completed slow change and fast change. So coming to next one, desirable change and undesirable change. Desirable change and undesirable change. Hey, desirable change. Desirable change means desires అంటే కోరిక అంటే మనకు అవసరమైంది అంటే change occurs but the result is అంటే మనకు ఉపయోగపడాలి దట్ రిజల్ట్ మనకు వచ్చే రిజల్ట్ దానికి మనకు ఉపయోగపడాలి దట్ చేంజ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ desirable change. Desirable change. Desirable change means the change which occurs is uses for us. Change occurs. The change is uses for us. Use for us. అంటే మనకు ఉపయోగపడాలి ఆ చేంజ్ ఫామ్ అయిన చేంజ్ మనకు ఉపయోగపడాలి. I will tell one example. Milk to curd.
Sir, day to night.
Day to night is not correct example for అంటే మన డే అది డిజైరబుల్ చేంజ్ కాదు. చేంజ్ జరుగుతుంది అది జరుగుతుంది దట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఎ డిజైరబుల్ చేంజ్.
Sir, formation of manure from animal dung.
Nana, formation of manure from animal dung. Formation of manure, right?
Sir, seed to a plant. Sir, seed to a plant.
Seed to a plant. That is also a desirable change. Desirable change. Nana, tell me, Surya, tell me. Amit Surya, tell me, Nana.
Sir.
Tell me, Surya, tell me. Example.
Sir, example. Sir, day and night.
Day and night is not correct example. Correct example. But it's a change, but not correct example. Danvisai, tell me one example for desirable change. Desirable change means change is used for us. Used for us. ఉపయోగపడాలి ఫామ్ అయిన చేంజ్ దట్ యూస్ ఫర్ బస్ చెప్పనా Danvisai, tell me.
Water to ice.
Water to ice is not for desirable change, Anna. It's not desirable change.
Ripening of fruits.
Ripening of fruits. మనం పచ్చి తినలేం కాబట్టి సో ఇథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్ తోటి మనం దాన్ని ఎథిలిన్ తోటి దాన్ని మనం రైపనింగ్ చేస్తాం అంటే పండిస్తాం. Ripening of
snow, sir. Sir, growing of fields.
Nana?
Growing of plants.
Growing of plants. Seed to a plant. That is also the example.
Melting of snow, sir.
Melting of snow. Very good. Melting of snow forms a fresh water in sea breezes.
Sir.
Right. Melting of snow.
Sir, formation of soil.
Formation of soil. All right. So these are the some examples of desirable change. Okay, Anna, is it clear? What is meant by desirable change?
A change which is used for us.
Yes, which is used for us. Which is used for us is desirable change. Coming to undesirable change.
Changes that are not useful for us. Like changes that are not used for us.
Change which is
Not used for us.
అంటే చేంజ్ జరిగింది. The result change.
For
Sindhu
example,
so many times.
natural disasters.
So that change is not used for us. అంటే మనకు ఉపయోగపడకూడదు ఆ change. That change is called undesirable. I will tell one example. Heavy rains in rainy season. Heavy rains. Not normal rains. Normal rains is desirable change. Heavy rains. అంటే వరదలు వచ్చేంత వర్షాలు. Heavy rains. Heavy rains is undesirable change. Heavy rains.
Natural disasters.
Right. Natural disasters are also అంటే భూకంపం, tsunamis, వరదలు, famines. So these are all undesirable change. Correct. All natural disasters are desirable change. Yeah, Nana, tell me. Nana?
Breaking of eggs.
Breaking of eggs.
Rotting of fruits.
Nana?
Rotting of fruits.
Rotting of fruits. Right. Very good. Rotting of fruits.
Spoiling of food.
Rotting of fruits. Fruits kharab కావటం. Rotting of fruits is undesirable change. Spoiling of food. Spoilage of food. Bacteria form కావటం. That is also undesirable change. Yes. Next one. Tell me examples. Tell me. Nana, Sindhuja, tell me.
Water changes into ice.
Water changes into ice. నీకు నవ్వటమే సరిపోతుంది. ఇంక ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఏం చెప్తావు? That is not the undesirable change. We are discussing only undesirable changes. Undesirable changes. That is not undesirable. Undesirable change అంటే మనకు ఉపయోగపడని change.
Rusting of articles.
Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron.
Burning of plastic.
Rusting of iron.
Burning plastic.
And burning?
Plastic.
Burning of plastic. So దాని నుంచి మనకు స్మోక్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి that is undesirable change. Right.
Then it is also a desirable change, sir. Burning of plastic. It removes waste from the environment. But it gives
మనం అక్కడ ఏం చూసుకోవాలి? సాయిల్ లో డీకంపోజ్ అవ్వకుండా మనం బర్న్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే డిజైరబుల్ చేంజ్. బట్ దాని వల్ల వచ్చే స్మోక్ ఈజ్ అన్డిజైరబుల్ చేంజ్. అదే చెప్పింది నేను. దట్ స్మోక్ ఈజ్ వెరీ హార్మ్ఫుల్ టు అస్. స్మోక్ గురించి చెప్తేనేమో అన్డిజైరబుల్ చేంజ్. సాయిల్ ఎరోషన్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నాం అని చెప్తే దట్ ఈస్ డిజైరబుల్ చేంజ్. సాయిల్ లో డీకంపోజ్ అవ్వదు. సో ఇట్ ప్రాసెస్ ఫర్ సాయిల్ ఎరోషన్. సో ఆ విధంగా చూస్తే ఇట్ ఈస్ డిజైరబుల్ చేంజ్. సో స్మోక్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్ అయింది. బర్నింగ్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాస్టిక్ ప్రాసెస్ ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ అన్డిజైరబుల్ చేంజ్. ఆ విధంగా చూస్తే అన్డిజైరబుల్ చేంజ్. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, right. So coming to third one.
Reversible and irreversible
Nana?
change.
Nana?
Reversible changes.
Yes, reversible and irreversible change. Reversible change and irreversible change. Reversible change and irreversible change. Right. See, first we will discuss irreversible change. Reversible change means change occurs. ఇక్కడ దీంట్లోనే ఉంది మీనింగ్. Reversible. Reversible. It is
Sir, the change which can brought to its original form.
yes. Yes. Change is reversed. Change is reversed. I will tell one example. Ice to water. Ice to water. This is a reversible change. అంటే ఐస్ నుంచి వాటర్ ఫామ్ అయింది మళ్ళీ ఆ వాటర్ తీసుకెళ్ళి మనం ఫ్రిడ్జ్ లో పెడితే మళ్ళీ ఐస్ ఫామ్ అయింది సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ రివర్సబుల్ చేంజ్ దట్ ఈస్ రివర్సబుల్ చేంజ్
Sir, melted gold.
అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
Sir, rusting of gold.
ఏనా
Sir, melted wax. Melted wax. Sir, rusting of iron.
రస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఐరన్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ రివర్సబుల్ చేంజ్
Sir, melted wax.
అంటే ఏంది ఐరన్ తుప్పు పట్టడం తుప్పు పట్టిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అది ఐరన్ గా చేంజ్ అయితా ఇట్ బికమ్స్ తన ఒరిజినల్ స్టేట్ కి చేంజ్ అయితా ఐరన్ తుప్పు పట్టిన తర్వాత సూర్య
No, sir.
సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ రివర్సబుల్ చేంజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఇర్రివర్సబుల్ చేంజ్ ఇర్రివర్సబుల్ మెల్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ wax melted wax
Melted gold.
ఏనా
Sir, melted gold. Throwing electric bulbs, sir.
ఏనా స్వేచ్ఛ
An electric bulb, sir.
ఎలక్ట్రిక్ బల్బ్
Throwing of ball, sir.
ఏనా
Throwing of ball.
ఎస్ థ్రోయింగ్ ఏ బాల్ మన ఎట్ వస్తే మళ్ళీ అది రివర్స్ రైట్ ఇంకా
Sir, owning the tap.
నేనా
Owning the tap.
మార్నింగ్ ద ట్యాప్ మళ్ళీ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ చేయొచ్చు కానీ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అన్న రివర్సబుల్ చేంజ్ నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ
Sir, stretching of rubber.
స్ట్రెచింగ్ ఆఫ్ రబ్బర్ కరెక్ట్ స్ట్రెచింగ్ ఆఫ్ రబ్బర్ stretching of rubber. So these are the enough. These are the some examples of reversible change. Reversible change. Yeah, is it clear? Right. So coming to irreversible change.
Sir, the change cannot be brought to its original
to its original form.
Right. Irreversible change. Change which is not reversed. Not reversed. Change which is not reversed is called irreversible change. Example. Rusting of iron.
means, sir.
Weathering of rocks.
Curd to milk.
Very good. Weathering of
Falling leaves from the tree. Burning of paper, sir.
very good. Falling of leaves.
Paper breaking of objects, sir.
Boiling.
Burning of paper, sir.
Burning of paper.
Cutting vegetables. Formation of human body. Sir, raw egg to a cooked egg.
Right. Raw egg to cooked egg.
Formation of human body.
Change to raw egg.
Sir, cutting vegetables.
Enough. So these are some examples of irreversible change. Irreversible change. Clear? Reversible change and irreversible change. So right.
Curd to milk.
Curd to milk. It is also a irreversible change. Curd to milk. Milk to curd. Not curd to milk. Milk to curd. అది irreversible కాదు చేంజ్ ఫామ్ అయింది మిల్క్ నుంచి కర్డ్ కి వెళ్ళిద్ది దట్ ఈస్ ఎ చేంజ్ బట్ వీ కెనాట్ ఫార్మ్స్ ద కర్డ్ టు మిల్క్
Sir, age of a human.
ages of our human beings age of element ages it is also irreversible change age cannot be reversed right
Time.
Time. Right. That is also irreversible change. Next, coming to periodic and non-periodic change. Periodic and non-periodic change. Coming to periodic change. Changes occur or change forms with time. Change form with time. Ante, nana. That means change forms with time means the change formings according to the time at regular intervals of time. Change form with regular intervals of time. Change forms with regular intervals of time. That is periodic change. That is periodic change. Example,
Day and night. Day and night.
day and night. Very good.
Movement
Day
Movement of the hands of the clock.
Sir, rotation of clock pendulum. Sir, rotation of the earth.
Swinging of the pendulum.
Pendulum. Pendulum is
Moon,
also periodic change.
Sir, of the earth.
Rotation of earth. Rotation of earth.
Sir, date. Sir, date.
రేపు హాలిడేనేగా రేపు హాలిడేనే ఇక్కడే ఉంచు అనా నెక్స్ట్
Sir, date. Beating of heart, sir.
beating of heart, right? Functioning of heart, right? Functioning of heart. Enough. So these are the some examples of periodic change. Periodic change. Yes. So coming to non-periodic change. Sindhuja video on cheyali. Sindhuja. Pujit Verma. Amit Surya video on cheyali. Sindhuja. Pujit Verma. Non-periodic change.
Sir, the change which does not occur in a interval of time.
Yes. It does not occur. Does not occur in regular intervals of time. Example.
Sir, cutting of
Nana.
earthquakes, sir. Earthquakes.
Earthquakes. Very good. Amit Surya, very good. Earthquakes.
Sir, rains.
Next one.
Sir, rain. Falling
Rains,
of
heavy rains.
leaves, sir.
Heavy rains. Huh?
Falling of leaves, sir.
Falling of leaves. Yeah, next one.
Sir, cutting of a tree. Rusting of iron particles.
It's not periodic change. It's not correct example. Not correct example, but not correct. Yeah, next one.
Rusting of
Swecha.
iron, sir. Rusting of iron.
Rusting of iron. Very good. It's non-periodic change. Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. Nice. So enough. 4 examples enough. 4 to 5 examples enough. So these are the some examples of non-periodic. Now is this clear? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Alright. These are some examples of non-periodic change. So last one. Only 5 minutes is there. One time tomorrow we will explain physical change and